What's up, guys? Here with another unboxing. I actually had a very lucky month. I won this in another raffle. It's under it's on Instagram, RC_5150. I'll put his link down below. Yeah, these raffles are freaking awesome, dude. It's crazy. But so it's the Element Enduro Gatekeeper buggy. It's ready to run. I saw one last night out at a night event, and it did really well. So yeah, I'm pretty stoked to try this out. It's a little more of a thrasher, my style. Definitely want to change the body color on it and stuff, but it's pretty similar to my other ones I have. But let's open this bad boy up and check it out. Got some extra battery tray, even though that won't fit. A couple extra gears there. Steering arm things. Servo tray. That's pretty cool. Come in handy for one of my other rigs too. And then, of course, we got the controller. All these controllers are the exact same style. It's got that little chrome wheel, steering wheel. All the adjustments are up on top. Obviously batteries go on the bottom. That's a cool little one. It wasn't as easy. The only thing I don't like about this one is it's not as easy to do one-handed driving. But other than that, cool. There's a little jumper thing. And all, of course, the instruction manual. On all of these, pretty cool because the inside of the box is part of, like, a little background thing. So this one's got different backgrounds and stuff. So it's pretty cool. Excited to see what's in this one. I haven't seen what's inside the Gatekeeper one. Oh, so this one's got cool little, I don't know if you can see it in there, like little off-road style flooring, and a big old logo. Oh, it's a big old hauler. That's pretty cool. So it's like a big trailer hauler. I like that. It's cool. Cool little difference. And then, manual. A little bit about the motor and whatnot. And boom. There we go. It's pretty sweet. Yeah, so I definitely want to order a set of these plastics so I can do a nice bright paint job. But these are pretty cool for right out of the box. Oh, this one has zip ties on it. Awesome. Nothing else down there. Set to the side, and there we go. So it's got a rear sway bar there. It's got the link suspension. It's pretty cool little trailing arms. So that's a little different from the other Enduros. You can still see it's got the marks or the mounting points there from the actual Enduro. Transmission is like mounted the exact same. Rear ends are the same and stuff. I'm guessing all the same little things mount over. Servo looks a little smaller. Probably because it's a little narrower there and stuff. Yeah, this thing. Tall ride height. Nice little suspension there. I think it'll be fun for doing a little more, doing crawling, but a little more bashing. You gotta thrash it around a little bit. So yeah, so it's the ready to run. Things are a little bit different in the builder's kit version of this. Got a couple of more upgrades in it, a little stronger things. Got the hard plastic and different stuff like that. Looks like it's coming with some pretty good wheels and tires right out of the box. I haven't had a ready to run Enduro. I had the ready to run 4Runner here, and it's got smaller wheels than this. It's got like the 1.5s or something. These are actual 1.9s, it looks like. Yeah. Pretty cool. Nice size tire under. I wonder if my 2.2s would fit on here. That would be pretty sweet. Might have slight little clearance in the front, but we'll see. I'm gonna have to try that out there. Have a look here. So, yeah. So stay tuned for some thrashing and stuff. Let me get some little close-up shots for you here. But yeah, I'm pretty stoked to try this bad boy out.